Hi there, this is Paige with Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing my project with you for the collaboration called Pinspiration Collaboration. This is hosted by Kreationsby Kimber, and down below I will have a link to all the participants in this collaboration. So for this month I used this from one of my boards on Pinterest. It is from heartsdelightcards.com. Cindy, I can't read the last name on there, 2013. And then I just made a notation what sizes I wanted to use for the sides and the top and bottom of the card. So I made a couple of different versions. I used some paper and a stamp set, I'm trying to find my notes here, called Share What You Love. And I embossed these cardstock panels before I adhered them to the card front. And then this is from the stamp set, Share What You Love. I think that's what it's called. Of course I don't have it handy, so I can't double check. But anyway, I popped this panel up on dimensionals. I tied some black twine that had silver metallic threads on it and used the little pearls from the embellishment kit that came with this collection. And then these are some little clear flowers from Stampin' Up! No longer available, I don't think. I shouldn't say that because I don't know that for sure. But anyway, I added some pearls to the center. And then here's the simple inside. And then I did another version where I used pattern paper for the strips. Same stamp set. This time I used, that one came off. Some light pink pearls on the flowers, and then the darker ones inside those same acrylic type flowers. And again, this is popped up. So two very simple cards, but I like this idea. What attracted me to this originally was I was thinking an ATC size, because I like to make ATC cards, and so I thought it would fit nicely in the center of this card sketch, and it would. You just need to narrow these pieces down a little bit, but this time I made it just kind of following. I think this led me to her blog, which is where I got the measurements for the sides and top and bottom. But I think you could easily adjust the frame pieces to an ATC size card, and so I'm going to have to try that sometime and see how it works. But anyway, simple card, easy to do, fun to make. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.